Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, trying to focus my camera. That's a 16 by 20 inch canvas that there was both parts 1 and parts 2. And there's just too many colors for me, too many patterns, too much all kinds of stuff going on. And I'm going to take some black, and if I don't like what I do, then I will use a Toothy tool or something. But I need some kind of closure. I need some kind of negative space too. And I do quite a few of these black. I prime my canvas with black and I put it down in a layer in dribbles, and then I swipe it with my spatula. And I just feel like maybe I could get away with that if I try. And I don't mind if there's some texture left behind. And I could wash it off if I had to. I just have to make sure I know which direction I'm going in. I'm looking for drama, but I'm also looking for satisfaction. My spatula is a great tool for swiping, for removing paint as well as adding it. This is not serving me well here. I'm probably going to pull the Toothy tool out because I can. I've got 2 Toothy tools and I've got a damp cloth I can wipe them off with. If I don't like it, like I said, I can always wash it off. I think I'm going to like it personally a lot better than I did already. And I've wanted to do this to this kind of painting for a while. I just have to decide if I want to use more than one tool, and I think I do. These are all made from dollar store or spatulas I wasn't using. And you just notch them out with a sharp blade. Go back to this one again. Yeah, I'm much happier with that. I mean, I know it's like adding insult to injury that there's even more paint now than there was before. Excuse me, not more paint, but more pattern. But for some reason, it pleases me. And a lot. Not just a little. It's not just an excuse. It still makes me feel like maybe I should save some black paint. But I'm not sure about that yet. And I'm almost done. So this is the quickest part 3 ever. But I'm very satisfied. I like what I have. For the most part. Do I want to put anything else in there? maybe. This would be the time to add any more black if I want to do that. Which I've never gone back at the end and added more black. I kind of like doing it. There. I know it had a lot of really neat patterns, but I think breaking up the patterns did nothing but serve a higher purpose. Yes, I did. I just added that spot. And now, in spite of being very quick, I guess I'm done. So please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. And know that there's 2,400 videos. I use Prism Pour paints, and in theory there should be a coupon code underneath the video should you like to help me. I'm an affiliate, and your purchases are helpful to me. I love you guys. I hope you come again. I post at noon Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week. I have all kinds of stuff on my Linktree that's under Show More, including my Amazon link and 2 books there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Thank you for your wonderful comments. If you check the Linktree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I'm really glad I did this to a large painting with lots of beautiful colors and some cool patterns showing through. So thank you guys for joining me. You inspire the heck out of me. Couldn't help it, had to do it. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. And if you'd like to get in touch with me, my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. And just in case the autocorrect is not, or the closed captioning is not working, my last name is Batzell, Batzell, not Battle. I see that too many times. I just had to say that. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all of your wonderful comments and kind words and the donations that help keep me painting through PayPal. The icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And also the link is on my Linktree, and it will earn you, for the 30 days after you make a donation, a 15-minute consultation for free with me on the phone if you'd like to have one. My spring clothing is below the video, as well as on the Linktree is Society 6, Le Gallerist, Pixels.com, Find in America. If you can't find what you're looking for and you found something you'd like to see have reproduced on clothing or some of the merchandise that I sell, all your shopping benefits me, and so I'm happy to add things. I am not going to be torching because I don't think that there are any bubbles, but I might look for a minute. In any case, I love you guys. I hope you take care of each other, take care of yourselves. That one little spot was just bugging me. But otherwise, I'm good. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you. Come again. I'll see you anon.